Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply transition in CapCut. So if you want to edit videos in CapCut, you can easily add transition in between the clip. And here, I've already add clips and also photos into my CapCut like this. And to easily apply the transition, you can just click on this white box in between the clip, and you'll find there are lots of transitions that you can select for your edits. So there are lots of categories that you can select, or you can just find the trending transition. For example, for the first one, I'm going to try to add the black fade transition. So when you click on the transition here, you can adjust the durations of the transition in here. If you want to apply the same transition, just click on apply to all. But if you want to apply a different transition for each of the clips, you can just click on the check icon, then go to the white box again, click, and just find another transitions that you want to use. You can do the same for all of the transition like this. For example, I'm going to try a different transition in between the clips here. So when you're done, you can just click on a check icon, and you can see the preview in here by playing the media player. So this will be the result. And that's all from me. That's how you can apply transition in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.